What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of Shrek. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw in the lower eyelid. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting over on the left, we're gonna draw a curve that goes up. And we'll bend that down on the outside. Let's line this up all the way over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then down. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind. So over on the left side, we're gonna step in, draw a circle. Going all the way around towards the top. Come down on the inside and just tuck that in along the bottom. And I'll do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, round this out, and then come down. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge, just gonna pull this in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right side. Now let's go in and fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now to move to the center, step down and draw a curve for the nose, starting over on the left, then this down, and then up, and it'll flare out the nostrils. Starting back over on the left, let's step down, curve around, and then in on both sides. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's go out to the side of the nostrils, curve this out, and then down. Now we're going to step up and draw a curve coming down and then up on the right side for the mouth. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start over on the left, bend this up, and then down on the inside, then line this up on the right. Now you want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting back on the outside, we're going to go up a little bit higher in the middle, and then taper that back down on the inside. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now from here, we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. On the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve this around, pull this in towards the chin, go all the way around, up, and then in on the right side. Now you want to leave a small gap along the side for the ears. So on the left, we're going to step up, curve this up, go across the top of the head, and then bring that back down on the right. Again, leaving a gap along the side. Now let's place the ears along that gap. On the left, let's step up, bend this up and out, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Let's round up the end of the ear, coming all the way around with a half circle, and then bend that in. Now I want to pull the ear back in towards the side of the head, come in, and then bend that down towards the cheek. Now on the tip of the ear, we're going to add that fold. Starting along the bottom, come in, and then up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We start over on the left, bend this down, and up. Let's move out to the side and draw on the body, going out, down, and then in towards the hip. Now let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then we'll bend that back up. Let's draw that same curve just up above, to the top of the belt. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's go back up to the side of the collar and draw the vest. And come down and then in. Let's come straight down the side. And then the vest is going to go out and then up towards the side of the body. Let's add a knot in between. From this line, we step over towards the left, draw a straight line going across. Let's add a small circle in the center, and then from the side, draw the 2 ropes coming down. Let's continue working down towards the feet. From the hips, draw 2 short angled lines coming down. Now let's connect the ends with another curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. In the center, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now you leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left side, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot, going up. And I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now let's curl the outside of the boot. From the top of the foot, let's step out, bend this up and then out. And we'll curve this up and then down on the inside. Now let's close off the outside leg. From these 2 points, let's step in, just tuck this in behind the edge of the boot. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms, starting halfway between the chin and the hip, starting right here, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb, and come down and bend this up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up with the second finger. Now the third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm going up, and we'll bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to separate the cuff with 2 curves, starting from the wrist, going up and then out. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Shrek. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video right over here, and I'll be waiting.